Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a wall footing design using the working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design a wall footing using working stress method for a 6 inches concrete wall carrying a total load of 5,000 pounds per foot. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 3000 psi, main bars half-inch diameter bar grade 33, temperature bars 3 8-inch diameter bar grade 33, soil bearing capacity 2500 psf. The wall footing carries a load of 5,000 pounds per foot and assumes self-weight of 163 pounds per foot, for a total load of 5,163 pounds per foot. Enumerate input parameters required. WF1 for footing name. Width and depth of footing unknown. 2 feet deep from natural grade line. Half-inch diameter bar grade 33 main bars. 3 8-inch diameter bar grade 33 temperature bars. Strength of concrete 3000 psi. Soil bearing capacity 2500 psf. 6 inches thick concrete wall and total load of 5,163 pounds per foot. Balance section properties as follows: n equals 9.289, k equals 0.411, j equals 0.863. Given the total load of 5,163 pounds per foot and soil bearing capacity of 2,500 psf, the width of footing is 24.78 inches, round up to 26 inches, and the net upward soil pressure is 2,308 psf. Critical sections for moment and bond. Critical sections for shear. Following the given computations, effective depth is 2.1 inches, round up to 3 inches, and total depth is 6 inches. Given the width of 26 inches, wall thickness of 6 inches, and net soil pressure of 2,308, the moment is 9,616.67 inch-pounds. The area of steel is 0.21 square inch. Use ACI minimum of 0.22 square inch. The spacing for half-inch diameter bar is 10.91 inches. Use 10.5 inches. Area of steel for temperature bar is 0.312 square inch. The number of bars for 3 8-inch diameter bar is 2.84, round up to 3. Test for shear stress and bond stress. By following the computations, we get shear stress of 37.4 psi less than 60.25 psi and bond stress of 415.02 psi less than 500 psi. The design results for our problem are as follows: Fc prime equals 3000 psi, Fs equals 18,000 psi, footing size 2 feet 2 inches by 6 inches, main bars of grade 33, half-inch diameter bar at 10.5 inches on center, temperature bars of grade 33, 3 pieces 3 8-inch diameter bar at 10 inches on center, depth of footing from natural grade line 2 feet. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.